Welcome back to another adventure. Super excited today because I am with the family. I got Dad. Y'all been asking how he's been doing. Well, he's here today. He's feeling good and wanting to float. And then I got my two nephews. This time last year, we went on the Illinois River and wore them out. I'll put the link in the description below. But today we're on the Buffalo, just doing a beautiful family float. Hopefully we'll catch a few fish. If not, we'll definitely enjoy the beautiful scenery and just swimming because it's a hot one today. So anyways, I'm about to hit some shoals here. The fishing's going to be excellent today. Maybe no size in this area just because it's a hard hit area, but I'm sure we'll catch a few here and there. But anyway, stick with me, stay tuned, and we'll meet you downstream. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Already, we're still at the, oh, he got me caught in that rock there. Nice, not a bad one. Not a bad one. Got him on the fluke, baby. Little 11, maybe 12. We'll go ahead and send him. Oh, he's got some pinchers down his throat. He's been feeding. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. We'll let him go. So I just got this fluke rigged on this small hook. It's a nice little section here with a bunch of rocks. And the sun is directly over our head right now. And so they kind of get in these little shady pockets underneath these boulders. That was actually my second bite. Another one hit it earlier. He was like 4 inches. Little guy. He didn't get the hook in his mouth. There's one. I got the fluke, man. Yeah, it's a nice one. He's actually not that bad. They're in the shade lines on these rocks. Just white. There we go, number 2. Within 10 feet of the other one. It's a good start so far. Got that fluke. Shout out to Chandler there for teaching me this method. I think it's my new favorite. Man, he was hooked. Another 12, maybe 13. He's a little longer. We'll let him go. My nephew just caught his first smallie of the day. What you got, bro?
I got this. He looks like about 6 or 7.
That's all right.
Caught him on this.
Little crankbait, little shad pattern.
Oh, bit me.
That's okay. Nice job, bro.
Thanks.
Let's get back to it. You can kind of grab him around his belly and squeeze him and then try to work out the hooks. When they're that small, you don't want to.
Yeah, no, that's the one thing about this is it's gonna get them.
Kind of just, you don't want to rip their face off, but you don't want to rip your hand either. I'm gonna dunk him in the water, let you hold him for a second. Let me give him a drink. You can get a little video of the other. Dude, I got it on the rear camera.
You're good.
Lynn's first fish, but I goofed up and let it go, so he shook off. He's feisty. Got him. Got him. He hit it about 2 or 3 times. He's not a bad one. Just got another nice one on the fluke. He slurped it about 2 times, spit it back out, and then I kind of jerked it hard and then fluttered it up, and then he smoked it hard that last time. Not a bad guy, maybe 13. It's been the average so far this morning, 12 to 13. But he wanted that fluke. I don't know if he's just trying to kill it or eat it, but he was attacking it several times there. This is my last hook. My other hooks aren't the same, so I'm trying to preserve this hook as much as possible because my suppliers are out right now. Not bad, a little smallie, we'll let them go. There he is. He came back for it. I don't want to break this hook off. Like, I'm not even joking. This may be like a 10-inch fish, but I don't want to lose this hook. It's my last good one. Come on. Come on. Come on, I'll let you go, my friend. There we go. Man, he choked that one. He slurped it. There. Woo. All right, we got him done. We're gonna give him a drink and let him swim off there. That took way too long. He's good. Little turd. He's about maybe 8 to 10 in that range. Dad's hooked up to a nice one. He's still on. Keep him on. Nice. He's about a 14.
Good enough. My bait's gone.
Got him. He hit as soon as it landed. This fish smoked it like top water. He smoked it as soon as that. Oh, he's got another couple with him. Dadgum, I'm right in the hole too. He's not bad. I'm gonna net him so I don't break him off. If I had a whole pack of hooks, I'd fling them in here a little easier. He's not bad. Look at that. Another 13, little guy, but he's got a bad eye on that side. He smoked it though. Y'all gotta fish this wall over here. Oh. Oh, Lord.
Whoa, wait a minute. Somebody just threw a lure in You can't be doing that either. You can't catch me.
That's the second time he's tried to catch me.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm fine, it didn't hit me. He's on. He's on. There's a bunch of fish. There's a wolf pack over there. Hey, there's a lot of fish over there. Paddle this way. There we go. He had about 12 friends with him. Y'all work that hole. There's a bunch in there. There we go, little guy. Pop him out because I'm still going downstream. Are you okay? Ouch. Okay, that's it. Ah! You got smoked.
My seat came undone.
Oh, that was a big blow up right there. He smoked it. He smoked it. See if he stays on. The boys just went through there too. Don't break my hook off. Don't break me. Get in the boat. Yes. I need some more slack here. I'm on drag. Smoked it. I swapped to the junior fluke because there's a lot of babies today, which it hasn't mattered. I've been hooking them still, but I was like, this would be a perfect size today to get a bunch of these little guys on. And this guy just hammered it. We'll let him go. We just took a nice dip a while ago and lifted everybody's morale because it is a hot one. It's a scorcher today. But this water is nice and cool. There must be a spring somewhere nearby. And that water was cold. It felt so good. Anyways, let me fix my fluke real quick. And we're gonna toss right here at this little eddy. And then we're gonna catch up to the rest of them here shortly. Man, I'm hooked. Chandler done got me hooked on this fluke bite. Like it's money right now. This time of year, it's just money. But look how cute that thing is. And you know, the hookup ratio for this one's gonna be a lot better just because it's so much smaller. They'll slurp it easier. But you know, with the wind, we'll have to see. I'm not able to cast it as far. So it don't have no weight to it. I got a fish on, dang it. Oh, oh man. I didn't even know I had a little slurper guy on here. It just, I was letting it sink in this little pool right here and wha-bam, he smoked it. See, that guy right there had no problem swallowing it. So I think we're gonna get a lot more fish on. I don't know if it's the size we're after though. I'm gonna try to rescue my fluke here floating. It's torn, it's gone, it's gone. There's fish. Nice. Yeah. Little banker. Got him. Got him. Let him swim for a minute on that one. Flip him in here on the junior fluke. We'll let you go, pal. There you go. Oh. Got him. That's a big blow up by a little smallie. I don't know if this was the one I had on, but golly. Well, that was interesting. Rookie mistake here. Had my micro power pole in the back and that limb is really, really low cutting across the V there. So I was like, well, I'm gonna swing it far to the right and let my pole get around and then kind of hook it back. No, it hooked right into the limb. Next thing I know it, I was tipping sideways in my shoalie, taking on water. So I kind of somewhat fell but bailed at the same time to try to catch everything because I knew I was going over. That was so embarrassing. Here I thought, you know, my dad was going to capsize today and it ended up being me. That's okay. They're back there swimming behind me. I'm drying out a little bit. Luckily, got everything back. The boys got everything that floated downstream, so make sure your stuff floats, tethered, or it's very, very bright where you can see it under the water. Luckily, it was real shallow back there, and I got both my front poles back. My rear poles were strapped in, and my tackle boxes float, and the boys grabbed them downstream for me. And I had a pool noodle on my net, and they were able to catch it too for me. So like 3 or 4 things got ahead of me there, but that's okay. We got everything back in the boat, and we're good. And I was hot anyways. I really just wanted to capsize, just to cool off, you know. But anyways, yeah, that's haven't happened. I haven't capsized in probably 5-6 years. Like, that was crazy. But anyways, if it wasn't for that stupid pole in the back, I've been fine. But you live and learn. Next time I just need to take the pole out and not try to maneuver around a low-hanging limb. But that's all right. Weaker paddlers. There's one. Got him. Yeah. Little guy. Come here, little baby. One more jump. You're in the boat. Average size of today. Dink Fest. Got him. Fish on.
I was trying to hit that, but I couldn't get the guys to go hard enough in front of me. Boy, that's a big one.
I know.
What was bigger, the fish or your lure?
You missed out. Sorry. I'm exhausted. There's absolutely no flow today whatsoever. I mean, the Buffalo, it is really low right now. We need some rain so bad. But we made it. 8 miles in the books. Boys had fun. They jumped off bluffs. They attempted to do a rope swing. Failed miserably because it wasn't that great of one. Caught a bunch of smallmouth, little guys. It's a good family trip, good family fun for sure. The bait I kind of stuck with today was the fluke. That was the magic bait again. When the water is shallow, you can let it sink, you can work it on the top. It's just a great all-around bait to throw this time of year. The boys, this is their first time on the Buffalo. They saw some awesome scenery today and made some good family memories. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next adventure.